Alright, welcome to the channel. I am Brian Reitson, your host from Backwoods Adventure Incorporated channel with the Adventure Crew. Today we're going to be going and replacing the lift cords on our two stands that we got out on state land. So, just be aware, this is the first video for the channel, so, you know, a lot of good stuff coming from the Adventure Crew. So let's go out, let's get up into the stands, let's replace these cords. We're going to test these over the whole entire Michigan hunting season, and we're going to see how these muddy lift cords actually put up to a rigorous Michigan hunting season. Then we're going to come back after season and I will give you my thoughts on these muddy lift cords. So let's get out into the field and let's have an adventure, man. So we got to be really quiet. We're going back to the stands right now. We're going to get the pull-up rope set. Then we're going to get out of here. The less that I'm here before hunting season, the better. So let's get to the stands. All right, so what we're here doing today is we're changing out these old ropes. We're going to try out the new muddy ropes. So let's get up in the tree. Let's get these changed out. And then we'll get out of here. The less contact right now before hunting season, the better. So what I've noticed, one of my straps is actually tearing. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reinforce that with another strap. Right, so now that we're up here, we are going to replace these. As I said, this paracord has actually lasted a very long time, but we're going to go ahead and switch it out with this muddy rope. All right, you can end it. All right, now that you've got your old rope off at your height that you want for when you haul up your bow, your gun, or whatnot, and then tie it off, and that'll be it. So at the end of the season, we're going to be looking back on this cord, and I'll tell you exactly how I feel about it. So, Muddy, this is your review. All right. So now that we got this rope installed, we're going to talk about it at the end of the season and see how this actually stands up to a paracord rope. So new carabiner, all nice and set. Let's get to the other one, shall we? All right, now that we're at the second stand, even though that this is a double stand, you still need a pull-up rope just to be safe so you can have both hands while you're climbing. So let's get up in the stand, let's get a new pull-up rope on it, and we'll get out of here and wait for opening day. Get up. All right, now that we got that set, let's get out of here and let's wait for opening day. Let's get out of here. All right, thanks for coming along with me. My name's Brian, and you found the Backwoods Adventure Incorporated channel with the Adventure Crew. So until next time, I appreciate you coming along with me, sharing my adventures. There's more videos to come, so stay tuned. Let's go on an adventure. So I'm out. Till next time.